Hello friends, welcome to yet another travel video on my channel, and today I'll be taking you to the Statue of Unity. Now we took our car from Mumbai to the Statue of Unity, which is in Kevadia, and it almost took us 8.5 hours. The highways leading us into Gujarat and to the Statue of Unity are very good, and it is a pleasure driving to the place. As we drive, we cross the Tapi Nadi, which you can see right now. It is very, very beautiful, and you will enjoy the view. As you will come close to the Statue of Unity, you will see the Narmada River, which you can see right now in the video. Few things which are very important while visiting the Statue of Unity are the tickets. Now, for the tickets, as shown on the screen, you have to go on the website. You Google Statue of Unity and you click on the website which says soutickets.in. So this is the website on your screen. This screen will show you all the instructions which is followed during the current COVID scenario, and you have to book your tickets online. They are not available offline or on the site. So once you read through these instructions, you go to the right hand side where you go below the home tab, you see book tickets. So the first thing is SOU Express entry. Then there are other tickets like the viewing gallery, the foreigner pass, the jungle safari, cycling, rafting, Ekta cruise, dinner cruise, nutrition park for children, and glow garden and whatnot. So you can scroll through the whole page to find what activities you want to do here at the Statue of Unity, and you can select those and you can buy tickets for those. Now, just to see the Statue of Unity and the dam and the laser show, what you actually need is you have to book either the express ticket or the viewing gallery, or you have to book a ticket to see just the entry ticket of Statue of Unity. Now, in order to book ticket, you will go to the book ticket option. Here you will be asked your mobile number, you will give it, you will get a OTP, and then you will log in. After you have logged in, you will select the date, after that the time slot, and below that you will see three options: not interested, then projection mapping, and helipad ground. So you have to select one of the three in order to see the laser show, that is the light and sound show, which happens after 6:30. So if you don't select, you will be asked to leave the campus and you will have to see the show from outside the campus. So please select one of the three options. Once you do that, you will go to book tickets and you select the number of adults or children, and the payment is by all the online methods: UPI, GPay, net banking, cards, everything is available. So please make sure to book. Now it is very important to understand that the dam visit, Valley of Flowers, and the Statue of Unity, all these three comes under this ticket. Either you take the express ticket, or you take the entry ticket, or you take the viewing gallery ticket. So all the three things come under any of these three tickets, and you have to do them on the same day. So you cannot take a ticket for the SOU entry on day 1 and do the dam visit on day 2. There is a bus service which is available for all the spots, that is the Valley of Flowers, the dam, and the SOU, which can be availed on the same ticket. So make sure that you use the ticket on the same day. So for people coming from far away like Mumbai, we cannot go back on the same day, right? So we have to at least stay for 1 day. 1 day stay is recommended. There are stay options at the SOU, but they are really expensive. So you can check out this Hotel Grand Unity at Rajpipla to be precise. It is close and it is affordable and it is clean. So you can check out this option.